Go this one.
Okay. We are making traditional beef rendang, which is very famous, a national dish of Malaysia.
National dish.
Fresh beef, as you can see, diced, nice and clean.
Okay.
Ready? So I'm just preparing the ingredients. All the ingredients are here. This is United States of America. You don't expect this to be available all the time, but we managed to find it. There are some nice ingredients: spice mix, coconut milk, some dry spices, chopped onion, salt, and the area of other spices which I'm going to be using it. So yeah, this is the preparation stage. Obviously, I will give you another shot once I think it's ready.
Okay.
Hello everyone, we are halfway through. So everything got into this pan. So all the mixture, coconut milk, spices, and tamarind juice, and some other secret spices. It's all blended together. So it's simmering now in a slow heat, and it's gonna take probably another hour and a half. Then you'll see finished product.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So it has the spice, the Malaysian spice, and chili powder, and lemon juice. And then all I've done is put some flour. About how many minutes more flour in this?
Okay.
This is the end result. So Malaysian cuisine, especially this is called beef rendang, Malaysia's national dish, and also this is fried chicken. They call it Ayam Goreng. So we've done it following the recipe. I'm not sure it will come out exactly the same or not, but we tried our best. That's the coconut and jasmine rice. And this is kind of vegetable salsa, mushroom and eggplant, and Americans, or we call it aubergine. But anyway, and it's just a mixed salad. That's it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it.